And a very good day to everyone. So here I am alongside the Riviere Prairie where I'm gonna film one of Sky the Universe's requests, which is for me to take a walk alongside the water here. I'm here on the northern shore of Montreal, and the island just over there is actually Laval. Sky Universe, I hope that you enjoy the video, and here we go. So it's currently 9:24 in the morning. It's Wednesday, July 7th. Not July, sorry, it's August the 7th. And, nice little weather this morning, about 18 degrees Celsius. I don't know what it equals to in Fahrenheit, but yeah. Really nice park here. It sounds for quite a bit. If I would be to take a walk to the end, but very far, there's actually like old ruins there. Fortunately, you can't go in there because, well, they're closed off with fences, but still. And yeah, those ruins are really a sight to see. So here I'm in the northern sector of Montreal, but Montreal North, and I'm walking alongside. Just a bit north behind all those buildings there is actually Gwen Boulevard. So maybe what I'll do is that I'm gonna film a walk for a bit here, and then at a moment I'm just gonna cut back and go on to Gwen Boulevard, and then maybe what I'll do is I'll go to St. Michel and Hambrass intersection where there's a 69 line bus stop, and actually it's another Sky Universe's request. I don't know if you wanted me to film all three, but I know that I'm gonna film this walk today, and maybe, but just maybe, I'm gonna film the bus right later. Yeah, nice little morning walk here. Nice weather, not too hot, but just a bit cold for when it's been recently, because last week we actually went through a heat wave, and let me tell you, it was hot with the humidity and all that stuff. It was really hot. So here's in the far right over there, the building that you see there is actually an electric dam. Yeah, and maybe, yeah, I know that it doesn't seem like it's a river with enough flow and enough water where there could be a dam. Just, yeah, just very short note. Here's actually some Canadian geese over there. No, it's not that far, but I know I didn't see very well because I didn't zoom too much, so the quality would still be able to be there. But going back to what I was saying, yeah, that electric water dam, it's not too powerful, I should say, with the noise and everything. So they can walk here, and I know I hear the water flowing and all that, and it's a really peaceful walk. we're going now. It's really very peaceful walk, you know. Really enjoyable. I think we smoke often. And also, I didn't mention that, but CI Universe in his request comment on my community post, where you can leave your requests if you want. Oh, there's some communities here walking on the bicycle path. Not gonna look too close. Oh, they're going to the water. Look. But yeah, what I'm saying is that, you know, that's the walker I said. But yeah, he requested for me to go film a bit at Fire Station 35, which maybe I'll do. But you know, it's not that busy of a fire station from what I know. But maybe I'll go there once. So, you know, maybe I'll stay there for a couple hours. If I see a response or something, maybe I'll film it. But certainly not stay there and make like a full video about it, because just a video of waiting in front of a fire station is that interesting, I'd say. You know, if I would do a live stream, which I can't because I'm not 50 subscribers yet. Of course, I would go there and film a live stream, but you know, just the fact that I can enjoy fire buffing and everything, and just film a small clip of a response. It's gonna be okay enough for me. And also, just saying that, from what I know, Fire Station 35, I believe that they only have a pumper truck or just a ladder. I'm not entirely sure. I'll have to go maybe look it up, or just go to the fire station and look through the windows. But there's also a fire station, I believe it's on Jar Boulevard and St. Michel. There's one there too. I don't know what they have, and I don't know the number of the station, but and I said Fire Station 35, but I also live close to Fire Station 17 and Fire Station 18, and you know, Fire Station 17, I believe, has it all. They have a ladder, they have a truck, they have a lot of units over there. And here, I'm gonna zoom in and you can see all of the damn action. View. So, yeah, like I said, hope this will be good. There. So, yeah, as I mentioned, I'm gonna go on this vlog. Made me aim for 15-20 minute video. We're already at 8 minutes and 30 seconds. But maybe I'll walk for longer. I don't really know what I'll do. You know, main points right now is not to, you know, focus on the time and whatnot. It's mostly for me to just enjoy the video and everything. So here we're a bit, I gotta say, deep into the walk, but there's still a lot more that I could walk, but I don't want to walk too long today because, you know, as I said, I'm probably, it's not 100% sure, but I'm probably gonna film the bus ride today. Maybe I'll film it tomorrow or another day. I don't know what I want to do. But I know that today, yeah, we're gonna film this walk, and you know, I'm just enjoying the nature that we got here in Montreal, and we're very lucky because, you know, we're a big city. We have 1 million people just on the island. I believe it's around 1,700,000 people or something like that. I don't know the exact analytics for that. waiting to cross the bike path. Because the truck that was walking ends a bit deeper. So here I'm just gonna wrap around and the truck's gonna resume. But here's a little place that I like to walk when I come here. It's like there's a little hill and I like to just walk top of it. And it gives me an amazing view on Riviere, which is a gem, we have to say. It's really beautiful river, and for the northern shore of Montreal, I gotta say, it doesn't look like we're here. Yeah, we'll go back down the hill, continue on the track. Okay, we're down. Oh yeah, as I mentioned, today's gonna be really focused on filming for you guys. The weather's not too hot. I gotta say the weather's enjoyable right now. I can, walk outside without suffering from the temperature. Yeah, I'm crossing the bike path, but because I wanna walk in the grass a bit. But I'm not gonna walk in the grass for too long. Just maybe rejoin a bit later. Track is on my right now. There's another hill there. I'm not gonna walk up this hill because I just don't feel like it doing it. But, yeah. So as I mentioned earlier, it's about an 18-degree Celsius weather this morning. Really, really enjoyable. And yeah, I'm doing this one in the morning because probably in the afternoon today it's gonna get hotter. And I'm someone who likes to go outside, but when it's not enjoyable to go outside because the heat is too important or it's too humid, I don't like it. Yeah, I still like being outside, but it's not gonna be as enjoyable as this morning, for example. Here's a plane all in the sky. I missed it, but you can hear the sound. Sorry if my fingers went into the camera. I was just positioning my phone now. My shoulder's sounding hurt a bit. There's holding up the phone high so that you can have a great view. And by the way, I'm filming in the wide-angle lens, which is 0.6 zoom, and actually the basic zoom is 1. We're actually zooming out right now. But yeah, right down there is a great spot to look for ducks, and I'm actually gonna go over there and give you a proper look at the river, which is actually the St. Lawrence River, but it just diverts when it reaches the Island of Montreal and the Island of Laval. So between Montreal and Laval is the River de Prairies, and I believe between Laval and the rest of the northern shore of Laval, I can say, it's I think the 1,000 Island River, something like that. In French it's the Riviere des Mille Îles, but I don't know if in English it's like the Mille Îles River, or you translate it to 1,000 Island River. And you can see a little bridge over down there. That's actually the Papineau Bridge, where Papineau actually goes into Laval and becomes the highway. which is Highway 19. There's some other geese around there. Some on watering. We seen them over there. So that's a really nice walk, and yeah, we're doing it in the morning because you know it's always enjoyable. It's a beautiful view of the river. I'm actually gonna make this my thumbnail, so I'm just take a picture. There we go. So yeah, we're gonna continue our walk down further a bit in the park. Yeah, we're gonna cut to the street and I'm gonna go back. Go to City Shop Boulevard, where I'm gonna end the video soon, but now I'm gonna walk a bit. Then we're gonna walk you to Gouin Boulevard or something. Oh, you know what? Let's go even further than here. Okay, an even lengthy walk now. And this video is actually my first walking video, but in my first ever YouTube video, I walked too a bit. But today is my first main walking video. I gotta say. So now we're gonna walk for a bit more. I could go back by there and reach Michelle Boulevard, but I'm gonna walk a bit over there and from there maybe end the video and go back myself to Michelle Boulevard. Sure, starting to hurt a bit. I'm holding the phone up, but it's okay. Oh, you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk further. There's actually a spot. It's like a little lookout where you can go and have an amazing view on the river. So yeah, we're going to go there. It's really further from here, but actually a bit of a long way, but down this direction. And with all this, you don't believe that here on the island of Montreal. I gotta say that. I'm very lucky here myself. I have beautiful parks, and one of my favorite parks in Montreal is Maisonneuve Park. And you know, it's amazing. You're close to the Olympic Stadium, but it's like a big forest with tracks like these and whatnot. So you know, it's amazing view, and you know, just really enjoyable. Maisonneuve Park. Maybe I'll go there one day. And yeah, the lookout's a bit over there. It's a bit of a walk, but we're gonna go there. And after that, I'm gonna wrap up the video maybe at the lookout. And then go back myself. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the metro system. I feel like to today. I don't know where I'm gonna go. Maybe I'm gonna film a metro ride too. You know, today, as I said before, producing the video, today is gonna be a YouTube focused day. I can say, you know, I'm filming this walk, which I'm probably gonna post later today, Wednesday, but maybe I'm gonna post it tomorrow. I don't know. You know, my YouTube channel is really just me documenting, I gotta say, because, you know, I have a couple of videos where I went to the Blue Line, and you know, MR 73s are not gonna last forever. These Earth as well aren't gonna last forever. They have a lot of time left, but you know, sometimes when the MR-73 is gonna be retired, there's gonna be another mobile train that's gonna come into service. And yeah. So around here coming up is one of my favorite parts in the park because there's the bike path you can faintly see in a little crack over there in the bushes, and the track where we are supposed to walk are really one beside the other. It's like a boulevard here, just that there's no cars. There's only people walking, and you know, I'm here alone because it's still just 9:44 in the morning, so sorry. You know, I love Montreal. I'm proud to be born in here because, you know, just I gotta say, every single street and road and avenues and all that in Montreal are unique to themselves. Even our metro stations are unique. And that's just an amazing feature of Montreal. Just, you know, having everything be unique in here, and yeah. And over there is a little lookout, but it's not the one where I'm going to. The one where we're going to, actually, we need to cross a bridge over the river. And then after that, we're going to reach the lookout. And there's another way in the park. It's a longer bridge where I can actually go onto Laval, I believe. No, I think it's just an island where I can go. There's tracks over there, but I'm not going to go there because, you know, I don't want to make this like an hour-long video. But, because that way, when I'm saying, like, you know, we can go into Laval and all that, it's even longer walk to reach. And if I remember right, by this way, I think it's where we can go there to that bridge and that lookout, I believe. Yeah, it must be here because I remember that little like stone track over there where we can go. Let me just look before I say anything. Yeah, it's over there. Yeah, it's right there. Here's a little wood bridge, which is, yeah, it's a wood. Yeah, look out farther down there, yeah. It's not that far from here, from what I remember. Because it's been a long time since I've taken this walk. Yeah, there's a bridge that's longer than this one. Further over there. Oh man, beautiful sights. I love my city. Yeah, that lookout's on the right. From what I remember. You know, it's been a long time since I've gone there, I gotta say that. It has to be has to be at least a year and a half. Because, yeah, you know, I take this walk often, but I don't go that deep. Normally, you know, I only walk on the main island, but today I'm gonna go look at the lookout together and enjoy the sights. Hope I'm going the right way, because it's been a long time. I have to go up that hill right there. It's the lookout. gonna be sure of that, because I don't wanna gaslight you into going there, but then just going and ended up in the middle of nowhere. Oh yeah, that was a cat right there. I see roof. Yeah, right there. Oh man. There we go. Wow. There's a sign that prevents fishing there. There we are. Oh man. Amazing. There's that electric dam I talked about over there. Here's the bridge I talked about. Right over there. I like it. You know, we're real lucky here in Montreal to be able to have all those parks and everything. Just amazing. I mean, I love it. And when I say all those parks, like all those parks that look into the water and all that. Because not every city that has parks like this. Alright, let's go back now. Maybe we'll look. You know what, maybe I'm gonna make this my thumbnail. Just back up a bit here. There we go. Picture of that too. I'm gonna choose the thumbnail later on. It's not my priority right now. We could go on and walk further down this island over there. Oh, here's a plane. Somewhere around. Wait, where is it? Oh, lost it. Sorry. I lost it in the camera room. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. You know, Montreal, we're a city that, you know, has 2 rivers, I can say, close to it. There's St. Lawrence River, real south. And we have Riviere, Prairies, and yes, they're both the same, but that southern part over there is called St. Lawrence River. And that part here is the Riviere, Prairies, but it's still the same, roughly. And, yeah, crickets singing. And I can understand that, because this morning it's amazing winter, as I said. 9:52 right now, so I started this video almost half an hour ago. It's only been 28 minutes since I filmed. And we're gonna cross back on that bridge. We're gonna go back our way from where we came from, and maybe I'm gonna take you to St. Michel. Not sure. Not sure about what I'm gonna do today. But I know that I'm taking this walk, as I said, but what else am I gonna do? So yeah, here we are back on that bridge road from where we came from. So, as I said previously, I hope that you're gonna enjoy this video. Scott Universe, you know, it's your request, so I hope that I've made a good enough video for your request. You know, you can always leave a comment if you want another request. You know, yes, I made a post for you to put all your requests in there, so I have one place to go look at them. But if you want to put a video request right on this video, like if you want me to take this walk again, tell me. So here we are back on the main island. A little more people starting to come parking. I can understand because it's almost 10 in the morning. So, you know, people have mostly already woken up and, you know, they're going for some fresh air outside. You know what, guys? I'm going to take you to St. Michel Boulevard with me. And in the video, when I'm going to reach Gouin and St. Michel intersection, I'm going to end the video there. I'm going to go into the metro. Maybe film there as well. I don't know. Yeah, I'm probably going to film a video there as well. The metro. No, I was enjoying the metro. You know, it's a unique perk that we have here in Montreal because we're the only metro system in the entire province of Quebec. And then I think the closest metro from us in Canada, I think it's Toronto. Maybe Ottawa has one, I'm not sure. I don't really take it to importantly to which other cities Canada have a metro system. I know Toronto has one because I have gone a couple of Toronto trips, and you know, I've taken the metro once, but you know, that's it's my priority to know which cities have metro stations, metro system. Canada, I know New York has one, but I never went to New York. We're just a bit past the half an hour timestamp for this video. Sorry if you saw my fingers again. I was changing my phone hands because I was holding the phone from my right hand for I'm sorry, for the entire length of the video so far, but my shoulder really started to hurt, so I switched to the left hand. And yeah, nice little walk this morning. You know, I woke up a little bit earlier today, and it was about 7 in the morning, like 6:40, something like that. I didn't really take too much attention, and I felt like I wanted to go outside and take a walk. I actually took this walk yesterday as well, and today, but you know, yesterday I did. I took a really shorter walk than today. Yesterday, I turned at the street where I'm gonna probably end the video. Turned that street, and you know, I took a really short walk yesterday. But today I felt like I wanted to do like a big walk. So I did. I took a big walk. And you may notice that I'm walking a bit slower. So this is actually people in there. So, yeah.
One day we were outside, I told him no, don't do that when I'm outside.
I love the spark. I know I said it multiple times in this video, but I can't say it enough. I actually hesitated this morning when I went outside after I locked my my door in my living quarters. I questioned myself for a bit, like almost 5 minutes. And I was like, do I go to that walk or do I not? Well, I said, do I want to go to that walk now or do I do it later today? And I said, I'm going to do it this morning because I swear the weather is going to be the least hot. Most chill. Alright. We reach about the 35-minute mark in this video. We're almost at 36 minutes. Right now we're at 36. We just scratched the 36-minute mark. So, yeah, I'm gonna take Michelle with me. We could go on there, but I don't know where it leads. You know what? I'm gonna look. I'm gonna go see where it leads. There's a map there, man. Better to discover myself without knowing where it goes. And we are back into the streets. I know I didn't start this video when I was in the streets, but yeah, I was in the streets before I came to film this video. And one thing I gotta say is that you, my viewers, have been amazing. Because, you know, I'm not that old of a YouTuber. I only have 5 videos, and I can't even say I'm a YouTuber because I only have 12 subscribers. But I have 2 videos over 1,000 views right now, so you know, it's amazing.
Hey, man.
And actually, my second video ever made 1,000 views. So, you know, it was amazing. So yeah, here we are, and we're actually on Wilfrid St. Louis Avenue, which from my memories is the last street in Montreal North before going to Hunsa, Carterville. St. Michel's just over there. Alright, I'm gonna cross here. I'm gonna go to Embarassa this way. Yeah, so over there, Gore stops being a 2-way street and becomes a 1-way street in the east direction. There's Embarassa over there. I believe it is. Yeah, it is. Started. Sorry for the banging noise. There's work close to here. Sorry for that noise. Oh, it's not that enjoyable to have an end to a video, but yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, I'm going to cross the Riviere Street here. I'm going to Embarassa, and yeah, we're going to the metro. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Papineau. I'm going to take the 45 maybe. Either I'm going to take the 45 to Fleury and then go to Sauve metro station, or I'm going to take it all the way into Papineau. Or maybe I'm just going to go to Embarassa, I don't know. You know, as I said today, it's going to be a day where I decide that I'm not doing that. Actually, I decided to take this walk today because, you know, I wanted to take a day for myself, take a day to, you know, do the activities that I love doing. You know, just enjoy a day for myself, and relax and all that. And actually, Sky Universe has left his request a while ago. Maybe I think it was like two two weeks and a half ago, so sorry for the little delay there. But yeah, I have reached the 40-minute mark video. So yeah, there's a bus stop just over there. I think maybe I'm gonna wait there and then film a bus ride. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna wrap it up here. So I hope you enjoyed your video, and have a great day, everybody.